Easy. Hey, DJ Easy. You're a bad boy.
You just want to hype me finish.
To do that hype work, don't be joking.
Don't be smart.
All those hype people.
Sometimes if you forget yourself, you'll jump from roof.
Now, but some the hype fail too. Not be small walk, that walk. Hype man, they chop well.
You don't pass out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now still the late night show. This one be on top of Wazobia TV. Now we get my two guests in the building, Edo Charles and Kelly Blind. Yes, so. Yeah. These two fingers in the air where they do like this.
I don't know if Misha.
Kelly Blind said they do. Okay. For those of you that don't know, they can just clarify the thing now. Kelly Blind, you know they see for eye, but they see for in mind.
Yes.
Now bad boy, when I know they look say because he don't physically say, he can't be say he now bad boy. Kelly Blind, how far now?
Oh, brother, I do.
Where did it happen?
Everything just there. Everything.
This one now where they form gentleman like this. I not say forget nothing.
Me gentle.
He get the day with the drive one day.
Gentle.
All of us they drive one day. Me, Kelly Blind and Crazy Leg.
Okay.
Crazy Leg now that person way in leg not today okay. I can't notice say I get two guys that will not today okay. Inside motor. Now Crazy Leg now they drive the motor. How? With his leg will not today okay. Now me the passenger side.
I don't remember that show.
Kelly Blind there for back.
That's true.
So Crazy Leg they drive. They cut anyhow. They enter anyhow. They enter. Now Kelly Blind shout for back. Hey. I don't know how they see you, but they see I think they drive wrong. But I beg you. If you don't say you know fit drive, make I can't drive. I make on the bench of them. I beg. I don't want that.
I'll come down first.
I will come down, lift on them, then they go. Before that open eyes and for Calabar.
This the way you just talk now. I remember that day. But I never tell you the one we happened between me and Crazy Leg.
Oh, no, just two of them they drive that day.
And then my ass carry me some go show.
Hey.
Now in the drive. You know, say if I sit down like this, nobody gonna say anything to do me.
Yes.
And so we dey drive. Police call stop Crazy Leg, make up put boot. They say, my friend, come down, man, put the boot. Crazy Leg say, Oga, just leave us move, they go. The man say, if you talk like this, a guy will slap you. Come down. Crazy Leg tell the man, say, Oga, call like 3 officers, may they join you. Because now like 4 people, they carry me inside this motor. Not be to come down be the problem. Now I had to carry me back inside the motor be the problem. When Crazy Leg finally caught that, when the man see leg.
See the leg with the wine.
Now the guy shot, now you drive the motor. Crazy Leg say, Oga, not me come down. With the annoyance, now the guy look my side, my leg straight. Now he talk, come with me. Give me slack. Bah! Come down. You were there, not my leg cripple, they drive you. Follow me. The man, they call me, go this side, and they go the other side. And the guy, they push me, you want run. I saw a guy, not the see you. Policeman begin cry.
But Kelly Blind inspire me, seriously. They inspire me. Say, there's somebody way there for this kind level.
Situation.
No, situation.
Okay.
Level. Yes, stand. They do something great like this. Yes. We have the likes of... Musical music.
Steve Wonder.
No, for Nigeria, yeah.
Cobams, yes.
I wait for footballer who will be like them.
Not true.
My brother.
One get footballer will be like them.
Footballers
will be
My
like them.
brother, see.
If I not bad,
I don't do so many things for this country.
Don't play ball too?
Now they organize a blind football before now, tournaments. My brother. Now only once I organize the tournament and not organize again. Because the money will take carry blind football hospital.
Okay. Even at that, imagine football, who want pass ball now.
See,
They go fence the whole
I'm telling
field.
you, I organized this tournament 2 years ago. I still get the video, don't worry. Everybody
Wait, watch the video.
My brother.
Then they explain what did happen. Say, okay, that ball don't go over now. Who they play that ball don't go over.
Anything wash now, wash. My brother, when I organize the tournament, the ball, you know, so they get special ball. The ball, they make noise. When you kick them, now the noise that they run follow.
Okay.
You understand? So now the noise they twist, they kick the ball. So that day, when they play the competition, now the keeper don't catch the ball. Now the keeper, that time when they see the watch ball, we keeper go catch ball, because they do style. Because they shake the ball. Now another guy, we know they see, they listen to the sound. But the guy kick the keeper head,
But you know, know, say, Ogbolor. Listen, I say, you put like a blind, well, they say no conscience is permanent. Everything gets advantage. If for church, you know to close the eye for prayer for
no
church.
need,
It's already closed.
It's already closed. But the eye, they open, no.
They say close the eye, say close with it. I can't even say anything.
You know what happened to me recently? When NEPA called my house, so they won't bring light B for me. After the man said, wait, say light B. I said, my brother, this is what you want to do, so you're not good. He said, but you must pay light B now. I said, my brother, close your eye first. Now the guy close it. I said, my brother, when you close your eye, which is say darkness. I said, go bring that work on eye, they pay.
But then in Nigeria now, people are making a lot of money.
Yes,
the likes of they cry. The likes of this guy for wheelchair, what do they call him again?
Yinka Efele.
Yes.
Yes, stand.
You know, say what would they Abuja? Yinka Efele tell me something. You know, they get one competition where they play that World Cup where they play where Yakubu missed one penalty.
Yes.
And Efele shout, say, Yakubu, hey. If Nami play that ball for enter, I said, we're too leg.
No, but seriously, like you thought just now, chance. Kelly Blanc has serious inspiration.
Yeah, nice.
Now serious inspiration because some people now for don't just decide say okay, based on this whole thing, say they also enter road they beg.
Yes,
you understand?
yes.
But he decide to say okay, make it convert this same situation where you find yourself into something where they make people they laugh, they bring humor to people.
Yes.
You understand? And I for me. That thing they very, very inspiring. But I don't fall my eye like this.
Like last December, I come to one program for the handicap for Solere.
Okay.
You understand? I was really touched to go crack joke for them. You understand? My mind saying people like blind, I go meet the crazy leg. I got people waiting really normal. I begin crack joke. Nobody laugh. I cracked second joke. Nobody laugh. Third joke. I said, madam, this is not working. He said, just continue. They are deaf and dumb. I said, excuse me. If they are deaf and dumb, why can't you come here? I come here, do, hey. They can't laugh. This is just fool himself. I said, at least it's working.
At least it's working.
But we will they see, we talk of our lives. You know, be smart thing. Yes. I'm thought the envy Kelly Blind. I know every
Kelly Blind.
But he inspire me.
My brother.
Now inspiration. Inspiration I want it. Yeah. But say every.
As I did like this time, my brother, I don't go there.
I don't have to be like the one he not agree.
My brother, not try.
I don't have
So Kelly Blind, it just come and say they want to heal you now.
My brother, I don't go one church for Ikotu. One man will go with that side. Not beside I go to church, I dey walk the pass. Now here today is a miracle night. The blind will see, the cripple will see.
Night shift.
The first way carry me, I make like run pass. They go in this side, they want to beat you here. No,
okay. Even if they're healing, you see funny. You're a funny man.
My brother, forget the leave the eye. You want first
Leave the eye like that. He want them like that too. It's very, very okay for you.
Leave the eye.
I believe him.
All right. Quickly, we get this video from Edo Charles, now comical video. And Edo Charles, before we play that particular video, you don't do things for church since.
Yes.
And your own basically say, me could enter churches, they do all this laughter and humor things.
Yeah.
Why that angle?
Okay, most people, I think people say, God not call me.
Okay.
I know your voice, say, my son.
My brother.
You understand? But when I enter Lagos at the age of 13, that year, at the time I finished primary school, I don't know if you go to secondary school. Things rough. Go to work as gardener.
You prefer do gardener work?
My brother, they plant flower, they do all these things very well.
Aside from gardener work, which other work you do again?
I don't do bricklayer.
My brother,
work.
My brother, you good. I do conductor for this Lagos.
You do conductor?
First you enter.
Kelly Blind?
I do
Before you
conductor.
blind, after you blind.
As I did like this, with this condition, I do conductor. We not pass one bus stop, we last my whole also. The guy said, if you reach bus stop, you go the blue horn. Make a the shot. You know, say hold up plenty for Lagos. The guy go break for hold up, he give blue horn anyhow. Now open up, he shout, who showed you? Who showed you? When I enter, I don't know, say the last man they jump better motor. They push him when I enter with Nashenju. When I enter with Nashenju.
At the end of the day, they don't carry up and go.
At the end of the day, motor don't full. Driver caught top bad, now last man full motor.
Like I was saying,
Yeah,
so I can't tell God, say, man, God, if only I fit go back to school. Yes, Dan. Every year, I will just be put together. I will just praise you.
If only you go back to school.
Make I go back to
So
school.
now education, no.
Yes, that's my greatest desire.
target,
At that time, they say make I go do mechanic. Don't say mechanic totally special. Me I go do a lot of things. I say no. One guy offered to me take me free of charge. Imagine I think they call package now. Come on, now beg. They
do IT.
They do IT
for mechanic.
Yes, but thank God say I can't go school miraculously.
Okay.
After a while, I can say if God fit do it for me, na covenant I enter. No be promise, not be saying
okay
pledge.
Okay.
Because me I do. Meanwhile, I play keyboard for like a day as a keyboardist.
For pop play
that time that year. That's why I want to do this thing. So the MC not come.
Okay.
Because make I just fill in the gap as the MC. People begin laugh. And that year, they pay me 4K. Per show for 7 hours. You know we wear akara.
And now uniform now.
Too bad it is 4K per show. That 4K said a miracle for me.
Serious.
Now the following week after my show, people could laugh. I say, it's nice, okay. It was for me a mistake.
Yes.
Come and say you did very well. Come for my husband's birthday next week. Come and make us laugh. I say, madam, what you saw today na mistake.
Na mistake.
Next week I feel go mess up. Say just come, I can't go. Now at that stage now, they do this stuff. And people they laugh. I want to go for you. Want to give me money for a year? Give me money envelope. 2002. I can't count the money. 150,000 naira.
150K.
But that much
compared to the 4K.
4K I collect
from
play
Dairo.
150K.
So now that time your ministry can't change.
Poverty na bad thing.
My brother.
I trek from Ogbolor to reach CMS. In case must bring money back with the whole loss. Just in case. Now me couple and I say, bros, I don't change career.
I don't do again.
I don't keep on waiting. I'm not a comedian. I don't know what it means.
Now that the whole comedy thing is going to start from. And still based on the covenant way.
Yeah, so when I do the thing for the Baba God level, so let me start to do and say, I don't need money or I too holy.
Yes.
I know the covenant I try to keep.
So exactly.
I say God, if you keep your own part, God will keep your own part.
All right. So we get this video from Edo Charles. We'll go play the video for now. We'll come back. We'll just do small discussion on top of the level, okay? So we'll still get Edo Charles and Kelly Blind in the building. Kelly Blind always laugh, finish all my ribs like this. When they come back now, and I'm going to watch this small clip, and then we'll continue with the show. Kelly.
Why you eat me? Are you blind?
Can't you see that I'm walking with my wonderful, beautiful, sexy looking baby?
Sexy baby.
Yes.
The baby I see, you. No. How can I see ugly things? Don't you know you are Gogo? How can I see this baby is your baby?
You're calling me Wawatin, my guy. In case if you don't know, you are the Wawa. You are the Wawa.
Let me tell you now, even if me, the Wawa, I have hope. You are Wawati. Can you imagine that? Are you alright?
Yes, my guy, wait.
What do you mean?
See, there's no need of bragging. You are a man, I'm a man.
If you touch me again,
you are a man, right?
If you touch me again,
you are a man, right?
If you touch me again,
let's do it like a man.
Like a man?
Yes, let's do it like a man.
You are a boy?
Yes, look, I will beat you as a kid now.
If you beat me, I will kill you. If you can beat me, I will naked, I will bath.
Okay.
No. If you can,
put down. See, sweetie.
I killed somebody before. Baby, I will deal with you.
Anita.
Thank you.
You his edge.
What do you think you have?
You think only you have something. You think, baby,
Can you talk now?
break this guy's head. What do you mean? We can break his head. Sweetie, use this bottle on his head.
Baby,
Kill him use this bottle on. Oh, you think only you have something, right? Sweetie, hold him.
What's rubbish?
Wait.
What's my husband?
Deal with this guy. Take it.
Nonsense.
What are you waiting for? Deal with this guy.
Finish him.
That's stop. You're bringing out more.
This my bag is not big for nothing.
Baby. Hey.
There are more.
Take it easy.
Kill him.
Take it easy.
I know.
Tony.
Hit this guy's head now. Now.
My guy.
Break this guy's head.
Wait.
Finish him.
Wait now. Wait.
Baby, break this
Don't take it.
guy's head.
Oh.
Only you has big bag. Break this guy's head.
Wait.
My blood is hot.
Wait.
My blood is hot.
Don't quarrel.
Baby, why are you standing there now? What
Peace
is
in this
it?
country. We need peace. Don't quarrel. Don't fight. Let's take it easy. Wait. Don't fight.
You want to see us, Abi?
I can't can't keep myself. Hold on now, baby.
He looks for trouble.
This is
I said finish this guy.
We are not used to this.
I'm not used to it.
Baby.
What
Are you used to
That is a bottle. Break his head.
No, what happened is that
It's a bottle. Break his
Let them
head.
show us.
show us first.
You have to show us.
What you're doing.
Meaning what now?
You're giving me back this thing.
No,
Meaning
show
what
us.
now? Wait, don't stop for meaning what?
I don't like what you're doing.
Let them show us.
Are you
how to-
serious?
One love.
This guy is not
Are you serious?
Show us how to do it.
Yeah, show us how to do it.
This guy.
But seriously, women, they feel bust on your head like this.
I'm telling you.
They will put you for trouble, oh.
E?
They carry the matter for you. Say, "Don't kill him! Warn him!" What you know for a plan before?
You're not gonna say that. You think it's only you that have something, Abi? Hold on.
When I say, then I see equipment they come out. Tools, na be carpenter. Nice one, Edo Charles.
Thank
Nice
you,
one.
thank
That
you,
particular skit, now one of my favorites.
Thank you,
Skits of not be last year, not one.
Yes.
Last year,
Yes.
the thing really trend last year.
Trend
Now, but based on this whole comedy P, now you don't just one and not just now top cocoa of the day for Covenant University, where they gbab students there, we don't the groove.
Okay.
For this, they can't expel them. Now, expulsion might be the way forward. I be see me they call them, see me they give them small advice on top some kind things.
Ogbolor, what do you call the school?
Covenant University.
The children were covenanting.
They were covenanting.
They were covenanting.
Exactly.
They were covenanting.
They were covenanting.
So when you are covenanting in the covenant arena, the covenanting,
Yeah, you exactly.
you were caught inside the covenanting.
Yes.
Why covenanting?
Exactly.
I'm confused that now inside covenanting.
My brother, there's a covenant somewhere.
Yeah.
Actually. Kelly, how it is now?
No, not be IT, IT year.
Okay, yeah. No, I say I don't paint the picture for your head now. So for someone in your mind, it's sick out.
How you tell you? He got to hear him. Now yeah. Me and laugh finish first. Hold on. Continue.
Continue.
The matter, now they say the cash, the torchlight, Abi. Now torchlighting matter.
Yeah, now.
For inside covenant.
Yeah.
It's like covenant.
Their blood they hot now.
Because
Yeah,
covenant is make the blood hot.
The covenant inside the covenant. So now they don't go back house, Abi. They don't expect them. So what will be the next thing? I have to go learn work now.
But then,
Because if they still go to that school, they'll see torchlight.
other school get
They'll
their
continue the ministry.
Still be
torchlight
saying,
ministry.
nowadays our parents get role to play.
Yes.
Those children we call that school called the torchlight. Not be today starts.
Well, no, now they be the
I know,
first
and they
to
say
go
not
the
be
first
100, not be I think not be
one at 400, one at 300.
so-
And now come be postgraduate,
so,
one come be 100 level.
So you imagine, so to tell you say those people don't take what they did there.
yeah.
So and even if those people, I think Covenant University are one of the best for Nigeria.
For
So
yes.
you understand. So, but I believe say those people, they're supposed to get some rules, even if they want to slide or anything. Now people their father get money now, so they feel afford anything, even if in a hotel or anywhere.
To run,
But
go.
to run for but inside the school premises.
It's wrong.
One inside office.
Inside office.
Inside office,
Yeah. Ready for the mark una.
Exam.
Now, suppose they pass, oh.
Yes, now
They
person
share even
when the torchlight near his script, I want to pass.
Exactly.
That is bad luck.
You spread the demons.
Yeah,
demons.
And
Exactly. I want to pass.
If it be on top table,
On top table now.
because the cat is
Okay, how you take your arm?
Wait, Kelly blind. I tell no say that
On top table.
my brother. So who know the scene, I know the.
Yeah.
My brother not try am.
Kelly blind, wait. Because I find use ear here. I think I go ask you today. Onto chicks level. Yeah.
Oluwa not good there.
Yeah? No, just us.
That's my ministry be that.
Seriously? My brother,
brother.
you are a wicked somebody.
That's my ministry.
Seriously?
Your inspiration for me right now is
Has
questionable.
changed. Yeah, questionable ministry. Very questionable.
It's
You might-
questionable.
My brother not just good there.
Yeah.
My brother, the blind does the bad that is somebody is not seeing does not mean the other person cannot see.
So
Yes,
one can
amen.
lead the way.
Even in scriptures, I don't know where in the scriptures. Somewhere in the scriptures.
Malachi.
You understand? After before Genesis, after Revelation,
Exactly.
shows that if one place is closed, other place might be.
Can be.
My brother, now that time they work well.
I don't know what it's about, but you know,
Other place are perfectly.
your senses are okay. That is what I'm talking about. Your senses are okay.
No, because sometimes they don't say, but if you know fit to, if once I know to the work, other sense organs, they awakened.
Very, very sharp.
One
very
man
sharp.
they give Vicky advice. He say Udo, say Father Daddy. He say it's good to read the scriptures. speak in tongues. Say, but when you see a naked woman, run.
Run.
Because that part does not understand the scriptures.
Oh, my label. He does not understand the scriptures.
So that scripture you are quoting your man praying, that part does, so that part in Blind.
Yes. It's working very well.
Yes, that's
like
my brother, you
like
are
Joseph,
complete.
you have to
Yes,
run.
that is
You have to
what-
run.
Flee.
That is
If
what we
Joseph
call-
now Joseph day for run.
My brother, like I talked before, if you say that now you be Samson, with the Delilah can't worry. Not be only your head that go shave.
My brother.
They go shave all this place. Shave all every other
So
hairy.
why we call they blame those boys for covenant?
No, those, that's why we so, but actually,
Therefore run like Joseph.
therefore
Yeah,
flee.
Joseph.
Therefore run like
Flee.
Joseph.
Joseph no run, no. Flee. He flee. Now flying be that. Not be waka.
Even Samson no run.
Samson.
Samson.
Now I put that for the one that we call the final now. On the final pin, before we come out for inside the I know say Kelly Blind, you get your audio CD.
Yes, my audio CD. They everywhere.
It there everywhere.
Yes,
What do you title so?
my audio CD na Kelly Blind Comedy FM.
Kelly Blind Comedy FM. All right, so when I go outside, then I make sure say una go pick am up because you ask Kelly Blind dey here now. That means say you not get excuse why you no go your own horse no go pay. If it's working for Kelly Blind, it can work for you too.
Tell people say disability na thing of the mind.
Basa, na thing of the mind.
Yes, that is
not be
my-
say physical things so na for head the day.
That's a motto.
So person fit dey see now for eye but no dey see for inside mind.
Not true.
Which is very dangerous, which is more terrible.
That na bad pass.
Not bad pass. As you are lost, your mind is. Bible talks say we should renew our mind.
Renew
Understand?
your mind.
Yes.
Edo Charles, wetin dey on board now?
My brother, so many things here on board.
Okay, so wetin be the next thing wey you dey do? No. Fuck more mouth for you.
I did work on the new musical single.
Okay, because I know say yes, you get one of your song that year with the sweet me.
Sure.
Kelly Blind dey sing self now.
Me I be instrumentalist too now.
But you dey sing vocally.
I dey sing now.
Oya tear one song for us. Make all of us part am now. Make all of us now.
gospel.
All of because we say all of us dey sing now.
We like sing that for your eyes.
So
Yeah. Yeah. We wanna live in a golden city.
yeah.
Where Jesus stays. We wanna live in a golden city.
Yeah.
Ogbolor, you spoil am.
We wanna
Make it for to follow.
in a golden city where Jesus
That's
stays.
the mood.
We wanna live in a golden city. Now, this is a verse. There's a place in my heart. There I know. There's Christ. There is joy. There's peace. There is love. Yeah. In my Father's house. There are many mansions there.
Around
There's a place in my heart that I know. There's love, there's Christ, there's joy, there's peace. Yeah, in my Father's house.
in your father's
There
house.
are many mansions there. We wanna live, in a golden city.
Oh, we wanna leave.
Nigeria will be a good city, man.
In a golden city.
After this election, we'll be
You dey spoil am
Oh,
o.
sorry, okay. We wanna live in a good
Kelly.
Carry, I will put you in Mavis record.
Mavis Records.
Mavis record.
It depends on.
After
My brother, maybe
depends on-
not the side gospel.
they will sign you. We will talk to John
They
Jazzy.
go on gospel.
Otherwise, we threaten him with the bunch. What is wrong to him?
Whatever, oh Lord, that will take me away from your love. Heavenly Father, take it away. That your gbedu, that your gbedu, that year.
That's that year.
But we thank God. We thank
thank
God.
God,
Thank God.
thank
Thank God. Ladies and gentlemen, Kelly Blind and Edo Charles in the building. One more
Yes,
time, make
bros.
you help me
Yes, bros.
appreciate them.
fingers in the
Thank
air,
you, thank you,
man.
thank you so very much. So
Thank you.
All right, so what is break now? By the time we come back, we get one comedian inside the house. He go perform for us. MC Flash go doing things for you. Then we'll go small bread. Then one other guy will enter. You can do music things. We don't go anywhere. I see the late night show on top of Wazobia. Hey.